Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Alex the Feel Good Chef, and today I'm gonna take you down memory lane. You remember when you grew up and your granny used to make a grater coconut, use the coconut juice make rice and peas, and then use the coconut chaff to make toto? That's exactly what we're gonna be doing today. But guess what? We're not gonna use grandma style because we have measurements. So I'm gonna be teaching you how to make the legendary Jamaican Toto cake. Lots of flavor, lots of spice. You're going to love this one. Just kick back, let me take care of the cooking, and you just handle the learning. Let's get into it right now. No good. Let's try again with this coconut. This is a new one. If it doesn't work, I won't be able to make this recipe. Looks good. Tastes good. This is always the hardest part, taking out the coconut fresh from the shell. Listen, if you're a Caribbean person, you know how difficult it can be to remove coconut from the shell. I haven't done this in years, so I'm a little bit scared because I don't want to get caught. We're gonna go ahead and rinse this, and you can always use this to light fire to run mosquito. I used to love gratering coconut when I was younger, but since me get old and lazy, it's not something that I like to do particularly because it's too much work. Alright, let's start off with 2 whole eggs. You go whisk it together. Then we go add 1 cup of sugar, brown sugar that is. Then we add about 2 tablespoons of melted butter, a teaspoon of grated ginger, and then combine everything together. We're also going to be adding 1 cup of coconut, grated coconut. Combine everything together, just make sure see how it's nice and combined. Remove all of the impurities. We're adding 2 cups of flour, we're adding 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a 1/4 cup of raisin, a teaspoon of cinnamon, a pinch of nutmeg. Combine everything together, then we go add 1.5 cup of water. Oh, I remember I need to add some vanilla, and I also added a pinch of salt. This is the type of cake that you can't spoil. You can just add everything together at the same time and just mix it up. Make sure you put everything in the bowl, and it will be nice and good. Bake this for about half an hour until when you put the knife in it, nothing comes out on it, then it will be ready. You just want to check up on it periodically to make sure that it's good. We're going to bake this in the oven, and the baking temperature is 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay guys, so this is what the finished product looks like. The Jamaican Toto cake, nice and golden brown. You can smell the aroma through the phone. Smell it, take a smell. Oh my god. Here we are. Subscribe to the channel. I'm going to take a slice and enjoy, and I want you guys to follow the recipe as well. I'll leave a link in the description down below. Until next time, just remember, take care of yourself. We go enjoy this. Yeah man.